girls. It is math time, and today we have another story with Junior. I hope you've been enjoying learning about money and Junior stories. Today we are learning about spending money, which is super fun. And the story is Careless at the Carnival that Miss Barrett will be reading for us later. And it's about Junior spending his money. And so you have the papers in your packet. I will read what it says. You can color the front side where it says Lesson 4, Spending. Junior's in the store deciding what to spend his money on. And on the back it says, "Hi friends, it's me, Junior. Now that we've learned about working, giving, and saving, it's time for the fun part, spending. Spending can be a lot of fun, but did you know that it also takes work? That's right. Responsible spending takes having a plan." We already talked about responsibility this morning. That was that's our word for the month. One summer, I wanted to go to the carnival with my friends. I asked for permission from my parents, and they agreed. They told me that I needed a plan for spending my commission money when I was there. We decided that I would need money for rides, food, and games. I saved my commission for several weeks. And finally, it was time for the carnival. I was so excited. I separated my money into 3 different envelopes: rides, food, and games. When my friends and I got to the carnival, we headed straight to the games. I really wanted to win a prize. So I took $1 from my games envelope and began playing one of the games. I didn't win the first time, so the carnival worker told me to try again. I knew I could win, so I tried one more time. And then another, and I kept losing, but I really wanted to win that prize. So I kept giving my dollars to the carnival workers, and before I knew it, I was out of game money. And I didn't think it would be a big deal if I took some money from my rides envelope, so I borrowed a few dollars from there. And then, before I knew it, that envelope was empty. I told myself I'd just take $1 from my food envelope. But I didn't win that game either. So I took a few more dollars. I looked down at my envelopes and all 3 of them were empty. I couldn't believe it. I didn't have any money left for corn dogs and cotton candy or for any of the rides. I left the carnival bummed that I'd spent all my money in one place. I didn't mean to lose track of my money, but I forgot to remind myself of my plan, and it cost me big. Ooh, so it's going to be an interesting story when we listen to it. Okay, and how it works down at the bottom. Now that you have some money in your spend envelope, you can decide what you want to spend it on. Make a plan for your money. It helps to write it down so that you control where it goes. You can even divide up your spend money and put it into different paper envelopes like I did for the carnival. Writing down your spending plan helps you stay on track. Okay, and then we have one more worksheet. One side you can color. It's Junior with his money going to the store, buying a baseball mitt. But the other side, it says Lesson 4, Spending. Here's a practice challenge for you. Pretend you are going to the county fair with your friends. You have saved $20 in your save envelope. From the list below, choose what things you want to do at the fair. Then place them in 3 different categories: games, food, and rides. And how much will you need to place in each envelope? Add up your total cost for each category as well as your total. Remember, you can't spend over $20. So this will be pretty easy for you guys if you want to sit down with a grown-up at home, and they can help you decide what things you would want to spend your money on. And everything is $3, $2, and $1. So you guys will be able to add up those dollars super easy, and you can see how much you might spend at the carnival. It's good practice. All right, boys and girls, well, have fun learning about spending money and practicing spending it on your worksheet, and enjoy the story with Miss Barrett.